To remove Google search bar from home screen in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, this device doesn't support the option straight up to remove this bar, but we can remove it with one of the methods that I will show you. So here, if we try to do anything with it, it won't go away. Now let's open a Google Play Store. That way we'll need to find something called Pixel Launcher. This will be the launcher that we'll need to change for default on this phone to remove that Google bar. So if you want it, then download this specific app, Pix Launcher Pixel Edition, and when it's ready, just go to your settings on your phone, open apps and select default apps. Then in the home app, change to the Pix Launcher, not the Pixel one. And from there, we should be able to enter the settings on our phone. When we enter settings, we can go to this gear icon right here in the default apps. And then we need to look for the home screen. Or actually, sorry, for the dock. Then disable show dock, and that way, if we go back, as you can see, the Google search bar is gone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.